Hello, dear students. In the chapter Atom and Molecule, we yesterday did the definition of mole. That 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 entities of anything is termed as 1 mole. Or you can say 1 mole is the quantity which have as many entities as much in 12 gram of C12 atom. This is the exact definition of 1 mole. So this mole concept, measuring the entity, is have significant. However, you can apply on anything, but it is significant. How its significance is good in calculating atoms, ions, and molecules. I am giving you the example of each one. Like for first thing, I am calculating atoms in one example. Like how much atoms are in 48 gram of carbon. So you know that carbon atomic mass is 12 gram. Mean to say 12 gram will give known as 1 mole. So how much mole there will be? 48 divided by 12, 4 mole are there. And so how many number of atoms? 4 into Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 20 raised to power 23 atoms. We can calculate the atoms by measuring the mass of an element, that how much atoms are there. Now what will be in the case of the molecules? If you are calculating the molecules, dear, suppose you have 64 gram of oxygen gas. So how many molecules are there in that? So let's first you will calculate molecular mass of O2. You know that one oxygen weighs 16 into 2, 32 gram. So 32 gram will be 1 mole. So number of moles in 64 gram is equal to 64 divided by 32 is equal to 2 moles are present in there. So 2 moles mean to say 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 number of molecules. For molecules, let me give you another example as well. So how much 49 gram of H2SO4 have number of molecules? So if we need to calculate 49 gram of H2SO4. So if you go for the H2SO4 molecular mass, the molecular mass of H2SO4 is 98 gram. So molecular mass of H2SO4 is 98 gram. Now how much moles are in 49 gram? So 49 divided by 98, this will give you 0.5 mole. So 49 gram of H2SO4 comprising 0.5 mole. So number of molecules will be 0.5 into Avogadro number. So that much number of molecules are present in 49 gram of H2SO4. Now one case is about the ions. The last case in this chapter is about the ions, dear, that how will you calculate number of ions. So we must know about the ions, like let's say example of AlCl3. So if you get for the molecular mass, so aluminium mass is 46, chlorine 3 into May 35.5. So this will give you around about this one, and if we add up, so the mass will become 150.5. So for numerical, I am taking 152 gram as the molecular mass of AlCl3. So 152 gram will compromises how much? 1 mole. But you know that when AlCl3 put into water, it will dissociate and it will give 1 ion of aluminium and 3 ions of chloride ions. 3 chloride ions is present in that mixes. So, if he asks you that how much number of chloride ions exist in case of a 76 gram of AlCl3, how much chloride ions? So you know that 76, first we will convert that into mole, this mass. So 76 divided by 152 will give you 0.5 mole. So we have first thing 1.5 mole of AlCl3. So how many molecules? So molecules, number of molecules will be 0.5 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 number of molecules. First we calculate molecules in case of ions. So now this is the number of molecules of aluminum chloride, but one molecule are giving 3 chloride ions. So that's why if you are calculating number of ions, then first number of molecules, and then you will get to number of ions given by the particular molecule, that is 3. So this will become your number of chloride ions. But if you go for the number of ions of the aluminium, in this case, number of ions of aluminium. So you know that number of molecules is this one. And how much ions of aluminium is given by the one molecule is 1. So that's why you have to multiply it by just 1. Means the same number of aluminium ions is given by them. 76 gram of the AlCl3 here. So today our lecture is completed because of our chapter of atom and molecule is going to complete today. Okay. So first thing you will do, read the chapter. Second thing, make notes of chapter. Notes in fair notebook there. Okay. Third thing you will perform today is on page number 41 and 42, some solved example on mole concept and unsolved as well. You will do that in rough notebook there. Okay, so this is your homework. Thank you.